Welcome back to the program. Now, Africa's share of the global insurance market currently hovers at let's be honest, it's a pretty small number, 1.5%. But the flip side of that is that you have a relatively unexploited industry, and it's expected to remain pretty resilient this year, despite a slowdown in GDP growth. Industry experts say South Africa's dominance of that market is going to be challenged by countries like Nigeria, Kenya, and Ethiopia. CCTV's Uche Okoronkwo sat down with the managing director of a Pan-African player, Africa Reinsurance, to find out what's driving growth as the company celebrates its 40th anniversary in Rwanda's capital.
Africa Re is a strong security which is comparable to other securities from the world, but a security which is adapted to our solutions because we have peculiar needs, peculiar types of governance and realities on the ground.
Now, going forward, what is your take on where we're at now in the industry? What is driving insurance in Africa? And of course, with the advent of technology and things like mobile money, how is that changing the game?
Within the coming 5 years, I can see people buying insurance on their mobile phones. I can see people buying a financial security in terms of monetary terms without calling someone to come to assess their asset. For example, if you have a house or a farm, in the past we used to send someone, an agent, who will come and see with his eyes what is the asset. And when we have a claim, we have to send someone who will come again and see really the damage, when you have the damage, sorry. So this time, those two activities may be done remotely. Whether you use drones, whether you use pictures and send, whether you use assets which are harmonized, standardized, whether you call people to a platform they buy commonly as a cooperative, as a community, all those will really help us to reduce the cost of administration. And not only the cost of administration, but the traceability of the service.
Now, Africa's finance industry is targeting small and medium enterprises more and more. How is this translating into the insurance sector? Are we going to see a spurt of micro insurance on the continent?
In the past 10 years, a lot of initiatives, pilot projects have been tried here and there. It's a concept which is a bit difficult to implement, although the objectives are great and the benefits are great. But it's difficult because it's a new model, it's a new concept. And where it is a bit complex, it's because it's not one solution fits everyone. So you have to adapt each solution